half adder needed the 3 ICs. One is the 7404 ICs, that is the NOT gate. 7408, that is the AND gate. 7432 is the OR gate. Okay, so this is the 7404 NOT gate. We have to connect it the first slot. Okay, this one is the 7408 AND gate. I'll connect it second slot. This one is the 7432 is the OR gate. I'll connect it the third slot. Okay, so these are the 14 pin ICs. So we have to left the 8 and 9 slot. Okay, so in that situation 10 become a 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16 become a 14 pin. So first we have to do the basic connection. 7 always connected to the ground. 14 always connected to the VCC. Okay, the 16 become a 14. So first we have to do the basic connection. 7 goes to ground, 14 goes to VCC. Don't forget this basic connection. Okay, then come to the circuit. So pin number 1, NOT gate pin number 1 connected to the A, that is the input. So this one is the NOT gate, no? So pin number 1 connected to the, these are all the input slot. You can connect anywhere. I'll connect here. Okay, this one is the A input. So this connection is done. Then pin number 2 connected to the AND gate of 1. Okay, the NOT gate of pin number 2 connected to the AND gate of pin number 1. This connection is done. Then come to the pin number 3, NOT gate of pin number 3 connected to the input of B. Pin number 3 connected to the input of B. This one is A, this one is B. Then this connection is done. Then come to the pin number 4. The pin number 4 connected to the AND gate of 5. The pin number 4 connected to the AND gate of 5. Okay, then this connection is done. So NOT gate is done. Then come to the AND gate. The pin number 1, AND gate of pin number 1 connected to the NOT gate of 2 is already done. Then come to the 2. The pin number 2 connected to the B. AND gate of pin number 2 connected to the B input of B. Okay, this one is done. Then come to the pin number 3. AND gate of pin number 3 connected to the OR gate of pin number 1. So AND gate of pin number 3 connected to the, this one is the OR gate. Okay, so you have to connect it to the pin number 1. So this one is done. Okay, then come to the second one, second AND gate. Pin number 4 connected to the input of A. Okay, pin number 4. AND gate of pin number 4 connected to the A. Okay, so this one is done. Then pin number 5 connected to the pin NOT gate of pin number 4. This one is already done. Then come to the here pin number 6, AND gate of pin number 6 connected to the OR gate of pin number 2. AND gate of pin number 6 connected to the OR gate of 2. Okay, this one is done. Okay, then come to here OR gate 1 is done, OR gate 2 is done. Then come to the OR gate 3. OR gate 3 connected to the sum, that is the output. Pin number 3 connected to the output. These are all, the red slots are all output, so you have to connect it anywhere. I will connect it here. This is the sum. This one is done. Then come to last one. The pin number 9 connected to the input A. The AND gate of pin number 9 connected to the input A. AND gate of pin number 9. This 10 become a 8, 11 become a 9. So 9 connected to the pin, A, input of A. Okay. This one is done. Then come to the pin number 10. The pin number 10 goes to the B, input of B. So this one is the 8, 9, 10. 10 goes to the input of B. Okay. This one is done. Then last one, pin number 8. AND gate of pin number 8 connected to the carry, that is the output. Pin number 8. This one is the 8. 10 become a 8 connected to the output, that is the carry. This one is the sum, this one is the carry. This one is the input A, this one is the input B. Okay. So this connection is done. Then switch on your trainer kit. Let's see the truth table trainer kit. Okay. Let's see the truth table. See, AB are the inputs, sum and carry are the outputs. Both inputs are 0, sum and carry are the 0, 0. See, both inputs A and B are the 0, 0. Carry, sum and carry are the 0, 0. Okay. Then check the next condition. A is 0, B is 1, the sum is 1, carry is 0. See, A is 0, B is 1, we'll get the sum is 1, carry is 0. Then check the next condition. A is 1, B is 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. A is 1, B is 0, we'll get sum is 1, carry is 0. Okay. Then check the last condition. Both are 0, means A is 1, B is 1, we'll get sum is 0, carry is 1. See, A is 1, B is 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1. Similarly, off subtractor only changes in the off order circuit. See, A bar B plus A B bar. Okay. See, here also same thing. A bar B plus A B bar. Okay. This connection is same thing. Only remove the carry connection. Okay. Pin number 8, 9, 10. AND gate of pin number 8, 9, 10 we have to remove. See, pin number 8. AND gate of pin number 8 I will remove. Then pin number 9. Pin number 9 I will remove. Then pin number 10. AND gate of pin number 10 I will remove. Okay. So we have to remove the carry connection. Okay. Only we have to connect pin number 3. AND gate of pin number 3 connected to the barrow. AND gate of pin number 3. AND gate of pin number 3 connected to the barrow. That is the output. Okay. So this is the barrow. This one is the difference. Sorry, I'll connect it here. Difference and barrow. Okay. A, B are the inputs, difference and borrow are the output. Once you done the connection, switch on the trainer kit. Okay, see, let's see the truth table of the of subtractor. See, AB are the inputs, difference and borrow are the outputs. Both inputs are 0 0, difference and borrow also 0 0. See, both inputs are 0 0, difference and borrow are the 0 0. Okay, let's check the next condition. A is 0, B is 1. We'll get the difference is 1, borrow is 1. See, 0 1. I'll give the B is 1. We'll get the difference is 1, borrow is 1. Okay, so we'll get this condition. Then check the next condition. A is 1, B is 0. A is 1, B is 0. The output is difference is 1, borrow is 0. Okay, see, A is 1, B is 0. The difference is 1, the borrow get 0. Okay, this one is done. Then check the last condition. A is 1, B is 1. Both inputs are 1 1. Both output will get 0 0. See, both inputs are 1 1. Both output gets 0 0. Okay, this is the of subtractor connection and truth table.